In this video, you'll learn how to view your site visitors' step-by-step journeys. You'll also learn how to see the top paths visitors take on your site. Enter the Visitor Journey section. You'll see a list of all the recent visitors who visited your site. Try clicking on one of them. This will open up a detailed view of this visitor's entire journey on your website. Each session, each action performed on the website, how long it took from one action to the other. You can also find data about the channel the visitor arrived from on each session, as well as the platform and operating system in use. If you're tracking more than one domain and you have visitors who visit both of them, whether during the same session or not, Oribi will track their movement. If you collect email addresses on your website, you can track these in Oribi using our email integration feature. Once this integration has been set up, you'll be able to view your visitors' email addresses alongside their visitor journeys. If you're interested in seeing a specific user, you can easily search for them by their email address. And once Oribi's email integration is connected, Oribi will show you cross-device data. That is, Oribi will track the same user coming from mobile and desktop and will reveal how your visitors move between both. Check out the filters above the list. You can filter your visitors by a specific action they've performed, their level of engagement, which marketing channel or platform they came from, and more. So if, for example, you want to explore the behavior of visitors who signed up from mobile and also visited the pricing page, you can do that in seconds. You can also create lists of visitors using these filters and download them as a CSV. Many Oribi users use the visitor journeys to learn about the common paths visitors take on their sites. To help them with this, we built our Aggregated Journeys feature. Go to the Aggregated Journeys section. You can either view the most common general paths on your site or see paths that end with a specific action, such as purchase or a sign-up. You can see which percentage of visitors took each path, as well as how long it took them on average to move from one step to the next. Once you identify your top paths, we recommend that you build funnels based on the most common paths and try to optimize them. See which paths convert better than others. Explore which pages most visitors visit on their way to convert and optimize them. Try to build new paths based on those which convert best.